Today, I'm going to show you how to use mattes in After Effects to reveal video footage, or really anything you want. So here we have two video clips. Let's reveal this top boat clip using a matte. First, we need a matte, something to reveal with. Grunge Lab has paint transitions that work perfectly for this. Let's add this one. I'll just click Apply, and it appears on the timeline. I'll move it so it starts at the same point as the second clip. Right now, this is just a black and white matte. Let's look at the Track Matte column. For the second clip, we can select the transition we just added. And by default, it will use its alpha channel to reveal the clip. Next to it, there are two small buttons. The first one switches from alpha to luma. So if you want to use the luminance channel instead of the alpha channel, you can try that. The second button inverts the matte, which we don't need right now. And as you can see, the top video reveals exactly where the white areas of the matte are. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's really that simple. By the way, if you want to try Grunge Lab, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!